We believe in a world in which climate-neutral mobility is the norm. Available, affordable, and to the benefit of all. We bring people, the environment, and technology into harmony and stand for the decarbonization of commercial vehicles with our sustainable solutions. This vision motivates our team every day, and we do everything we can to effectively address climate change with clean, safe, and high-performance series products. As an innovation leader, we develop state-of-the-art technologies and set the highest quality standards in the process. Today, Pepper is already delivering the key technologies for an emission-free tomorrow.
To reduce our global CO2 emissions significantly is certainly the most important challenge for our society. The transition of energy and mobility plays a major role here. It's our common duty to use all our knowledge, all our skills and innovation to meet that goal. We must keep our planet in livable and healthy condition for our future generations. I made that promise to my children.
And our mission has only just begun.